greatest scourge upon humanity, wants to go outside. She's just sitting there by the door, probably thinking, if I could just go outside, I could kill things. Because, she thinks of nothing but murder all day. Nothing but murder. It doesn't matter if she's fed or not. She can have a full belly and still go out there and kill things. Because this right here is the epitome of evil and all that is so terribly wrong with the world today. See, sometimes people will act like cats. They'll be selfish. They'll go through life destroying things, killing things, and they'll do it with no remorse. Yes. And thus we have the house cat. There really is no difference. They're total psychopaths. They're total narcissists. They think of nothing but themselves. I read an article online once, so it must be true, that if a cat was a little bigger, we would be prey. They'd say, you know what? Forget this. We're just going to eat you. Humans are plump. They're full of, fresh meat, things that way. What do you think, kitty? That's what you're thinking, isn't it? You just want to go outside. You just ate. And now you want to go outside and kill something. Psychopath. Anyway, if you agree with my little cat rant, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And I don't know. It's just interesting. Interesting. Hey you, psycho. She doesn't care. I'm irrelevant, as are most humans.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, if you could like and subscribe, that would be lovely. Thank you, and have a nice day.